Hi sir, namaste. Your good name please?
My name is Dr. Sumon Nath Chaudhary.
Okay. And your designation in the company please?
I am Associate General Manager, Technical and Marketing. Well, we are Glamac International Private Limited, Indian multinational. We are mainly focused in the poultry nutrition segment. We started our journey almost 9.5 years back, and we are mainly focused on the innovative product. Tagline is like innovation and excellence. Okay, so some of the products we have introduced in Indian market for the first time, and some of we take from our European partners also. We have 3 European partners. One is Exbet Germany, one is Provita Supplements Germany, and another one is Harbonis Switzerland. Apart from that, we have brought recently a very need of the hour product, that is avian influenza and other enveloped virus solution through feed. So that is the need of the hour, and we have developed the product under technical collaboration with Senmu Taiwan. So this is in nutshell, and we have all other good products like we have Harbonis Switzerland's Panbonis. So that is the pioneer in the natural source of vitamin D3 metabolite segment, and a global brand you can say. Then we have one acidifier, highly concentrated double strength acidifier, that is from GC, that is GC liquids. We take that from Provita Supplements. So that is another big blockbuster product. And we have Roxarzone, Supravita. So these are all unique product, and Supravita is from Exbet Germany. It's a combination of 18 essential and non-essential amino acids and all sorts of vitamins. So it's a very good combination for the chicks and even for the grower stage also. So you can say.
Let me brief you something about our latest innovations.
Sure.
And you know that the product which he has said, that Sinca HBR 50,
Okay.
you know, it is a drive towards antibiotic-free poultry poultry life.
Okay.
Like we are telling that through Sinca HBR, we are initiating an antibiotic-free egg and chicken to the human beings, those who are consuming the end produce, that is the chicken or eggs. And Sinca HBR 50, it's a E. coli, Salmonella, digestive disorder, loose dropping and gut health. It's a complete package product, madam. And this is an award-winning product. Last year we got the award from Economic Times of India, the poultry product innovation of the year 2024, veterinary pharma innovation of the year. And very recently we got another prestigious award for this product from GF Foundation. It is a global sustainability platform supported by Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. They have recognized our product as best sustainable poultry nutrition brand of India in the year 2025. So these are the 2 innovative products that which we have introduced, and our latest introduction, I hope it will create sensation in the industry, because as on date there are lots of viral problem in poultry industry, and each and every farmer, they are using vaccine with all compliance. They are following the schedule, they are maintaining the cold chain, they are choosing the good companies including multinational companies. They are doing biosecurity also in their farms. Means they are trying their best to create defense against virus. In spite of that, there are lots of viral cases in our market. Throughout the year there is a problem, and there is actually they are in a situation that in spite of our so much care, in spite of so much good vaccination schedule, still we are unable to control the virus. And another big problem across the country, the environment, there is LP, the low pathogenic virus is always present. When there is a support of secondary bacterial infection, this viral invasion is getting flare up, and the farmers are huge. It's a huge commercial loss to the farmer. Keeping in mind with that, we have developed a technical platform with a company from Taiwan, and we have developed a product. The product name is VAP. It's a versatile addition polypeptide, the full form, and it is a virus solution through feed additive. Now you can ask me what type of solution it is. You know, people are giving vaccine, that creates humoral immunity. So that creates one strong defense against virus. But people have not given emphasis the mucosal immunity. The entry point of the virus is the mucous membrane. So if you can able to create a strong high level of mucosal immunity, so it will be a double defense to the virus. So first they need to cross the barrier of the mucosal immunity. Once they will cross the barrier of the mucosal immunity, then they will have the another defense which is given through vaccine, that is the humoral immunity. They have to cross that barrier and then they can do the harm. But with these two strong defense, the virus will neutralize its virulent power. So the impact will be very less. That is the concept. And mucosal immunity, our product is creating strong level of mucosal immunity that is being established with a 100% confirmatory study that is called gene expression study or DNA study, because this is such a 100% confirmatory study that in human being the parental identity can be identified with this type of study. So there is no doubt, through science, it's a pure science, it is proved that our product is creating a very strong level of mucosal immunity, and because of this another strong defense or shield, we control the virus, because nobody can kill virus or nobody can control virus, and nobody knows when virus will come. Even God cannot cure virus. What we can do, we can create a strong defense against virus so that virus neutralizes its power and the end result should be controllable. There should not be disaster. So we have recently introduced, we have done several field trial, we have done test marketing in the Western market. There are farmers who are following, in our product also there is a protocol like vaccines. If somebody is following the protocol completely, we can assure them that they will be highly benefited in two forms. One, there are LPI in the environment throughout the country, and because of that there is a huge production loss. The layer farmer, they are not getting their correct egg percentage. The broiler farmer, they are not getting the proper body weight and FCR. If they can put VAP in their regular usage and practice, so they will be benefited with. Market report is telling even 5% additional production in layer, more than 20-30 gram body weight in broiler, and the product's cost of inclusion is very, very comfortable and very, very controlled. In a layer, up to 100 week, if one layer is laying just one additional egg, the cost of inclusion of this product is covered. In a broiler, if the broiler is delivering at least 7 gram additional body weight, the cost of inclusion is covered. In return, it will give an assurance, it will give an support to fight against virus, which is need of the hour in our country, across the country, and this is a season coming. In another 3-4 months, many area of our country will be again experience viral problem, and we have launched the product at the right time. And our request, our prayer to the industry, that please use this product at least in one flock or at least in one shed, and you compare what is the performance of this product and how it is economically most viable to you. Thank you very much. Our company is a Bombay-based company, and we are having pan-India operation, and we do have export in some selected countries. I am the founder and the chairman, managing director of this company. This is the 4th year we are participating. Yeah, we are absolutely happy. I must thank you, the organizer, the Poultry India. This platform, I think this platform is now globally recognized. So it is not become a pan-India platform. Many of our European clients, many of our European partners, they inquire about Poultry India. So that itself reflects the size and the reputation and the honor this platform has got created in India now. This is the best poultry platform in India, attracting international client also and domestic client also. So it is our pride. The Poultry India show is our pride also, madam. And we are very happy and lucky to be participated here and represent our products, our company to the customers, to the farmers and to the poultry industry. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.